Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find Barry's stash car. This mission involves locating two special vehicles for Barry. After meeting him, you'll receive a text message revealing their general locations, which appear as large green circles on your map. Finding and delivering both of these vehicles is essential to completing this particular side quest, offering a fun challenge as you explore the city. Your first objective is to find a truck hidden within a lumberyard. Head over to the lumberyard situated on El Rancho Boulevard in the Murrieta Heights area of East Los Santos. Be prepared, because as soon as you get into this truck, you'll probably attract a 2-star wanted level. Your task is to then drive the truck safely to Barry's apartment, shaking off any pursuing officers along the way. Next, you'll need to retrieve a second vehicle, which is an old, non-functional car. This car is located inside a scrapyard in La Puerta, specifically just off a last street on the west side of Los Santos. When you find it, you'll discover it won't start. Don't worry, a tow truck is conveniently located nearby. Use it to hook up the broken car and tow it to its designated delivery point. Once you've successfully hooked the broken car with the tow truck, your final step is to carefully transport it to Vespucci Beach. It's important to drive smoothly and avoid any major collisions to ensure the stash car remains securely attached. After delivering both the truck and the towed car to their specified locations, you will successfully complete this mission, moving you forward in your game journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.